Hello student. Now today we are going to study about the first chapter of class 10th life process. Clear? Now today we are going to study about first chapter of class 10th life process. Chapter first life process. Clear? Now first of all we know what is life process. Clear? What is life process? Clear? Life process means life maintaining process. Clear? Life maintaining process is called life process. Clear? Now it is clear what is life process means. Life maintaining process is called a लाइफ प्रोसेस मीन्स लाइफ को मेंटेन करने वाले प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं लाइफ प्रोसेस सच एज न्यूट्रिशन, respiration, circulation and excretion. Clear? Now it is the four basic life process which are required for life maintaining. Means these four type of life process is required for maintaining of life. Now in this chapter we study about the different life process, their type and mechanism. Now first of all we are going to study about nutrition. First of all we are going to study about nutrition. What is nutrition? First of all, what is nutrition? Means the intake of food and their proper utilization. Intake of food and their proper utilization for the various function of our body or all living organism body is called nutrition. Is called nutrition. Means intake of food and their proper utilization for the various function of our body is called nutrition. Clear? Now next one, what is nutrients? Nutrients means component of food such as carbohydrate, fat and protein. Carbohydrate, fat and protein, these are the component of food materials. Means component of food materials is called nutrients. For example, carbohydrate, fat and protein. Means nutrients means intake of food. Food contain different component such as carbohydrate, fat and protein. Clear? Now let's see mode of nutrition. Means different living organisms perform different mode of nutrition. First of all, nutrition means mode of nutrition. Mode of nutrition. Nutrition basically categorized into two parts. Nutrition is categorized basically into two parts. First is autotrophic nutrition. Second one is heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Clear? Autotrophic nutrition further classified or categorized into different groups. First of all, parasitic nutrition. Second one, saprophytic or saprotrophic nutrition. Third one is holozoic nutrition. Clear? Means mode of nutrition categorized basically two parts, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic and heterotrophic. Heterotrophic further classified into three parts: parasitic, saprophytic and holozoic. Clear? Now first of all know what is autotrophic, then after heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Clear? Autotrophic nutrition means organism prepare their own food. Here means organism which can prepare their own food is called autotrophic nutrition. Clear? Next point, those organism which perform this type of nutrition is called autotrophs. क्लियर? बस ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म जो इस तरह के मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन को परफॉर्म करते हैं वो ऑटोट्रॉफ्स कहलाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल ऑल ग्रीन प्लांट्स, ब्लू ग्रीन एल्गी and some bacteria. Clear? Means autotrophic nutrition, organism prepare their own food with the help of raw material, for example sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll. Clear? Organism which perform this type of nutrition are called autotrophs. Means autotroph particular organism and autotrophy means mode of nutrition. Clear? Next one, example of autotrophs or organism which perform this type of nutrition is mostly all green plants, blue-green algae, and some bacteria. Means particular bacterium which contain chlorophyll perform this type of nutrition. Clear? Now, after this, we study about the second part of nutrition, means heterotrophic nutrition, and the second section of lecture, means next video is related to heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now, thank you.